Marhaba. When in Arabic is Emtan. Emtan. It can also come as Lama. Lama. I will tell you the difference. Emtan is used when you're asking a question. When is she coming? Emtan jai. When will we get there? Emtan rah nusal. Lamma, on the other hand, is used when you are describing a situation. For example, when it stops raining. لما توقف sheta. When I get sick. لما أمرض. So, Emtan is when you're asking a question, and Lama is when you are describing an event. For example, when are we going to eat? Emtan rah nakul. When she gets here, لما تيجي. You see, I hope it makes sense. Please comment if you need any help. شكراً.